So this is my website. How to advertise your website on Google means it's totally free. The using for one is called Google site, second one using for Google bookmark. That is called marking your website. One is called keyword, second will be your URL. First one, go to Google bookmarks. Any Google bookmarks, the link will be submitted only for one time with multiple keywords. Google bookmark, we can submit by link for multiple keywords. First of all, we go for Google bookmarks. In this Google bookmark, select it. Once open this URL, we can submit this URL only for one time only. So I can go to your site. Here two definitions. One is called keyword building purpose and second one is Google referral traffic purpose. Google bookmarks supported by two scenario. One is called keyword promotion, second will be backlink website for your using Google bookmarks. In this first one, select here, copy the URL. Any URL submit only for one time, not for more than one time. So submit in this URL. Once you submit the wrong URL, we can't change the URL. The URL will submit only for one time, or you can delete the URL. Add bookmark. In this, copy this URL. First, select this and you can paste your title. Write on this. Done. Click for add bookmark. Okay, clear? How much time will be taken? Will be done by 10 seconds. If you click edit, you can change your title and labels and change your description. We can't change URL. If you change URL, simple option is called remove the URL. Once submit URL, the index with your title and labels of your tags with your description. Anything will be submit only for any URL in the Google bookmarks, only for one time. That is only for one time. This is generating two things. Keyword promotion generated for Google referral links. Next one, option call is sites.google.com. This is total same like Blogger and WordPress type. We can make the website based on the keywords. You can make the website based on the keywords. Now select your page. First of all, I'm selecting for keyword here. The keyword name is called, I'm selecting here. Look, digital marketing training institute Gachibowli. Done my keyword. After that, select here if you want and select it, or else select your image. Is the same like your Blogger and WordPress type. Select your image and go to your particular folder option. Post it in this search here. Select an option in the image. Done. Is a large header is visible. After that, select your content. Control A and click for text box. Add your content. Now they can show your separate page or contact us form related. Control X. Here go to pages. Yes or no? Go to your pages. Here click for in this option. One is create the new page, or else go to your website. What is called contact us page. Copy the URL. Select it in this. What is called given by this link. Here option call is contact us. This is mean by anchor text. This is mean by anchor text. If anybody click the link, they go into some other website. This is mean by referral link or anchor text. So anybody how to give anchor link on particular site means just add your name and give by URL. Click for which one? Open the new tab. Just Control U. So what are the page you did not? Just click for delete. So how many pages you creating for home and contact us? So by creating for some other pages, training, you can go specific training for digital marketing page. Select it, copy this one, select here, add your DM training. This all kind belongs to for anchor text. Each link we can give one specific name is called anchor name. That is called each hyperlink one specific name is called anchor text. So this is called anchor text will help on your search engine. Will click on the links one website to another website, one blog to another blog, one free website to another premium website. Just copy, click for publish, select your URL. In this URL, you can click here DM training. So we can select here. So still is not accepted. Now is accepted. DM training in Gachibowli is accepted. Now click for accepted. Suppose this will be not all your search engine. Click for this one. This will be private. So in this will be using for public purpose. Now click for publish. Once publish this URL, how to visible by the users? That will be user visible by like this. Control C. Open by the increase window. Why? New user, how to visible your site? Just click here. You can see. Home, contact us will click. They're going to where? Your website. So Google site generating for referral traffic and promote your website keywords. Two reasons you can do for Google site submission. If anyone asking for why using for Google bookmarks and Google site will be generated for keyword promotion and website referral traffic purpose, and Google bookmark will be purpose of website backlink purpose and generating for keyword promotion using tags. So these two scenario using for Google submission for free and getting traffic on your website way of the referral traffic and promotion of the keyword also. So this is called promote your website for get your traffic on your website. One is the site, second will be Google bookmarks.